Good morning, guys. What's going on? I just spent the morning cleaning my cheer uniforms and my pom-poms. Basically just doing adult things. What's up? How's it going? I took kind of a long weekend, but it feels good to be back. Today I am getting started by, I don't know, maybe cleaning my house because I'm a disaster, and then going for a bike ride because we haven't been on one in a while. So that'll be really fun. Trying to keep my fit stuff going. Oh, you guys should go look at the pictures from the game. I'll post the link down in the description, but there were so many awesome things from Sunday. I didn't want to talk about it because I didn't want to jinx it, but we have like a little triangle that we dance in a lot of the times like this, and there's a person at the front, and for one of the dances I was the front this time, and I was nervous because I didn't want to mess it up and I didn't want to blow it, but it went really well, and there's an awesome picture of me at the front with the whole team, and it's so beautiful, and it's something that I look at, and I mean, not even when it's not me and we have a picture like that and it's anybody else at the front, it's amazing to just see like the force that we are as a group. But just the picture and like myself at the front, I'm just like, oh my gosh, that's so amazing. I need to get a workout in, which will be our bike ride and then maybe something on the beach. I don't know what. We're gonna figure it out as we go. All right, here we go. I just went and did a little workout on the beach and did a little vote in real life video. I don't know if you guys have seen those, but YouTube sent all of its content creators an email and said, make a video about people voting. And I mean, it's not like we get anything for it. It's just like, it only takes 1 minute and 34 seconds for you to sign up to vote. And it's a really important thing. So I did a little video and a workout about it. So if you're ready to get your twerk out on, it's literally a twerk out. It's like if Diplo were to call tomorrow, it's the workout I do every day before I show up to be like one of his dancers. So yeah, it's fun. Go check it out if you want to. We came to have lunch out at the Fish House with my dad and my grandma again. Our weekly fun little lunch together. We're all retired, so we come together and eat. Everyone who has to work isn't allowed to come. So I guess I am working currently, but you know. Just a little bit. But it was delicious. It's my fried food Thursday, the one day I eat fried food during the week. Just got back from lunch and it was absolutely delicious, but now I think I need a little cardio in my life because all that fried food is, while yummy, needs to have like a counterbalance of doing something healthy. So we're gonna go ride bikes. Here we go. I haven't been on a bike ride in a while, and I don't know why. I've been like running because I feel like that burns more calories or something, I don't know. But this is really nice. I forget about the breeze. For today, I'm gonna ride to this place. When I was a kid, we used to go there all the time and we called it the Bunny Trail. But since then, as I've grown up, we've gotten a lot more coyotes in the area and they've eaten all the bunnies on the Bunny Trail. But we still call it the Bunny Trail, so we're gonna go ride on it. It's so pretty. I'm just riding my bike and I'm thinking to myself, like, gosh, it's so sunny out. Why didn't I bring sunglasses? Something to shade my eyes. Yep. Smarter than I look, people. I swear it. Maybe not most of the time, but every once in a while. Or dumber than I look. I don't know. I'm all of the above. So just around this little lily pad corner is what I call the Bunny Trail. Not a bad little view back here. Hanging out by the water. There's a lovely breeze. Not a soul in sight. Not even any bunnies. Hey ducks. What up ducks? Hey. Oh, taking off. Bye. Whew, it's hot out there. I figured it was only appropriate to wear my ride or die one piece since I'm literally riding or dying on my bike right now. Mostly dying because it's hot. It was good to get out and ride though. Now I have to get ready. I have practice tonight, so I'm gonna practice my dances real quick, get that ready. We're playing the Denver Broncos on Sunday. They're undefeated, so that should be a pretty good game. And just exciting. It's weird because the Broncos are one of those teams where like, I've seen them in the Super Bowl a couple times. I cheered for them both times to win. So I feel like I kind of have like an alliance, but obviously above all, I always want the Bucks to win. It's just, it's hard to have a lot of negativity towards teams because you can't like hate every team in the NFL. That's like saying I'm an American, so I only like America as a country and I don't like any other countries. It's like, that's silly. Anyways, that's my outlook on sports. How do you feel, Mies? Cool? Awesome. You look good. We're at our meeting place. Michelle's here. It's very exciting.
It is.
I have to use the restroom. That's why we come to the meeting place, so that we can use the restroom before we go to practice and we're stuck on the field. Nowhere to go. Ah, that's me. We made it. It's game day practice time. I had a minor heart attack because my Palms weren't in my bag and I legit didn't pack them. I like forgot my Palms and then I looked in my backseat of my car and they were still there from Tuesday and I was like, oh, thank goodness. Cause I, for real, like didn't think about it until I was here that I don't have any pom-poms. Gosh, Chloe's, oh, Chloe, what are you doing?
Content creating, baby. I can't, sorry. I cannot get the right angle because the wind's blowing.
I can get the right angle because this flag is beautiful.
Hey, where are you going?
I'm gonna film the flag. See, look at that angle. Look at the sky in the background. Beautiful. Who's better at content creation, me or the girl who does it for a living? Well, I guess we both do it for a living, but yeah, Chloe's better at analyzing it for sure. Me, I'm like, people don't like it. Yeah, cool, moving on. So we're gonna go practice. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be so awesome. And then I'm gonna go home. And that's how today's gonna go. High fives all around. We just got out so early because of lightning. And I'm gonna go eat a lovely dinner and see my boyfriend for a second and relax and teach myself new Pure Barre choreography. Oh my gosh, guys, it's gonna be a night to remember. Not true. So I was driving home from practice tonight and this thought hit me that I have a piano in my house and I've never in my life tried to play piano and I've always wanted to. And I thought in my head, like, why am I not doing that? Why not just like go home, watch the YouTube video right now, whatever the one with the most views on it that teaches you how to play piano. So I did. And within about 14 minutes of watching some random YouTube video of some guy named Andrew, I learned how to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star and do a C scale. Here I am, Lindsay Bell, playing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star on the gosh darn piano. Thank you very much. I'll be here all week. Now I just need to learn how to read the music. Because I played violin, so I know how to read music, but for violins, fingering and stuff, so that's cool. I want to be like Alicia Keys when I grow up, which is like tomorrow, so I better get it figured out now. Look at this little fluffer nutter. How did you get the comfiest spot on the couch? Were you enjoying my piano playing? Nope, okay. Whew, I'm excited I did that. That's one of those things that's on the bucket list that like, why don't I just start today? Why not start today? So we're gonna learn how to play the piano. I'm basically gonna be a YouTube piano sensation here in like, tomorrow. It's not true, it's so hard. It's so hard to learn. Seriously, but it's good for the brain, I think, just to like switch it up and do something new. Anyways, brain workout. So with that, I'm heading to bed. There's a random clip at the end. It's just me being an idiot. And with that, I'm heading to bed. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you for watching the vlogs. I cannot thank you enough for how awesome all of you are and all the comments all the time. I'll be down in the comments after the video goes live, so if you want to write some stuff, I'll be down there to write back to you. And yeah, I love you guys. Happy weekend, and I will see you soon. Happy National Coffee Day. So glad we celebrated well. All right, see you guys. Bye. Kanye, what you got on that? She says guac on her elbow.
Lizzie, stop it. I don't want
Cream
to my
cheese?
guacamole on
Cream cheese. Yeah. Cream cheese on her elbow.
Ooh.
Brian, you like told me nicely and now you're like,
I don't know. I'm just,
Ew, there's cream cheese on your elbow.
there's not cream cheese on my elbow. There wasn't cream cheese like at all today.
Oh man, it is good to be going home.
yeah.
Let them do their thing.